The event we have today here at the Fort Santiago is Santa Cruz de Mayo. It's the traditional Santa Cruz de Mayo. It's not the Flores de Mayo because some people do confuse the two. Santa Cruz de Mayo is based on the Bible. They're in nice costumes and they represent certain characters in the Bible.
Truly, my dear friends, the Santa Cruz de Mayo is a symbol of our strong religious foundation as a nation and our deep respect for our religious roots and heritage. Mahalaga pong maalala natin saan ba tayo nanggaling para alam po natin kung saan po tayo pupunta bilang isang bansa. May today's celebration inspire us to always remember and honor our greatness as a people.